Let's begin this fun and educational journey through the English alphabet. Ready? Let's go.
C is for
Cat. Cat.
Now say them with me again.
Cat.
C is for
Car. Car.
Now say it with me.
Car.
C is for
Cake. Cake.
Now say it with me.
Cake.
C is for
Chair. Chair.
Let's say it together.
Chair.
C is for
Cup. Cup.
Now say it with me.
Cup.
C is for
Cow. Cow.
Now say it with me.
Cow.
Great job. Let's review what we've learned.
Cat. Cat. Car. Car. Cake. Cake. Chair. Chair. Cup. Cup. Cow. Cow.
Great job, kids. You're fantastic. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.